Budabanaka, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Puex Yar, and welcome. The Thai Province. Now, Tata, I am Peace Corps Fiji's Director of Programming and Training.
The Peace Corps Fiji Country Director, Mr. Dennis McMahon. U.S. Embassy Shade Affairs, Ms. Rebecca. The Training Manager, Felipe Lomata. The Director of Programming and Training, Mr. Clayton Kennedy. Respected Chiefs of host villages, Bau and Dravo districts, Vanua of Bau and Dravo districts, Turanganikoros, host families, representatives from the Talebu province, members of the, I believe the Fiji Police Band is here as well, diligent volunteers of Group 96, volunteers who are currently serving in Fiji, those that have returned, invited guests, ladies, gentlemen and dear children. Nisam Bulavinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me once again in putting our hands together to welcome our newly, should I say inducted? 37 Peace Corps volunteers who will serve as youth development specialists in Fiji. Thank you very much. And to our volunteers, we welcome you wholeheartedly and we welcome you with open arms in your bid to serve our nation for the next 2 years. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, today marks an important event whereby the 96th group of U.S. Peace Corps volunteers in Fiji will commence their 2 years of service in our schools and communities throughout Fiji. Like I said, once again, I wholeheartedly congratulate the volunteers who will walk alongside their respected ministries and youth groups to serve. I'm very much privileged that you, the chosen volunteers, have been assigned to my ministry, and you will walk and live amongst our children in our communities. I'm positive that by the end of your 2-year engagement, your skills and values both will trickle down to our communities, our teachers, and our children as they get inspired by your sacrifice and your service. Ladies and gentlemen, the essence of the word volunteer hides in its meaning itself. A person who freely offers to take part in an enterprise out of goodwill. The value of volunteerism is recognized worldwide as the 5th of December is set aside by the United Nations to mark the International Volunteer Day for Economic and Social Development. The UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres, in his statement during last year's World Volunteer Day, strongly stated that, I quote, "The diverse and dynamic role of volunteerism in promoting the Sustainable Development Goals merits strong support from governments and other stakeholders for their efforts in leaving no one behind," unquote. I assure you, on behalf of the Fijian government and my ministry, that Team 96 and those that will follow will receive the same level of recognition and support as has been the case from half a century. It has been 51 years since the first group of volunteers arrived in Fiji. That was in 1968. More than 2,500 Peace Corps volunteers have served in support of Fiji's development objectives in areas of health, education, agriculture, environment, fisheries, business development, women's empowerment, water and sanitation, as well as a range of technical and vocational specialties. Today is a unique chance for us Fijians to celebrate your effort, to share your values of compassion and servitude, and to promote your work amongst our communities, non-government organizations, government authorities, and the private sector. I have full faith in the training manager's report that the trainees have fulfilled the requirement and they are fit to serve as volunteers. I thank the chiefs, the community, and the families who have housed the volunteers during the previous 9 weeks of intensive village-based training process in 7 villages within the Bau and Dravo districts of the Talebu province. My special appreciation goes to the villages of Dautata, Dravo, Maumi, Mokani, Naila, Nesongovo, and Ovea. I'm sure your initial 2 months of orientation in Fiji has introduced volunteers you to our unique diversity, friendly smile, and world-renowned hospitality. On the same note, on behalf of the villagers, I thank you for the beautiful memories which your stay has imprinted on their hearts. I excitedly noted that one of your assignments was to learn either Vosavakaviti or Hindi language, and you'll be delighted to hear that you can freely continue being students in conversational language classes once you are in the school system. I'm happy with the knowledge and skills that you are going to impart to our children in the community. Your training manual is developed with a holistic approach and includes skills in youth development, classroom management, and contents of the Ministry of Education's Life Skills curricula. It is in line with the National Curriculum Framework, whereby learning is envisioned to be lifelong and our children grow up to be responsible citizens of Fiji. The government and the people of Fiji are indebted to you volunteers and your predecessors who have made immense contribution throughout their selfless service to our nation. As we speak currently, diligent volunteers serve as youth development specialists as part of a collaborative partnership with my ministry and the Ministry of Youth and Sports. And I'm sure your addition to the team will be a boost to the team already on the ground in different areas of need. Ladies and gentlemen, for over 5 decades, volunteers have worked alongside their Fijian counterparts in schools, communities, and ministry offices to implement programs and activities that promote healthier and more productive lives among youth, which enable them to be more actively engaged in development. In schools, volunteers support teachers in delivering life skills education, including healthy living at the primary school level and family life education at the secondary school level. What differs, of course, is the new methodologies that the children are continuously engaged in. We at the Education Ministry believe in varying teaching methodologies to enhance learning. Over the years, the volunteers have supported our teachers in schools by introducing new approaches and techniques for positive reinforcement and behavior management in the classroom. Because volunteers serve at the invitation of schools and communities, the specific work of individual volunteers varies depending on the needs and aspirations at the local level. On behalf of my ministry and the Ministry of Youth and Sports and the Government of Fiji, I genuinely thank the Peace Corps volunteers who are actively engaged in leading our youth empowerment, facilitating village youth associations, and mentoring youth in setting up small enterprises. I also thank them for engaging in organizing extracurricular activities around physical education, arts, and music. And of course, I'd also thank them for establishing resource centers and promoting information technology learning, the future pathway for my ministry. Also, for tutoring in English literacy as well as proficiency assessment, we at Ministry of Education are envisioning a numerate and literate Fiji. And of course, our volunteers work with special needs and support and opportunities. Ladies and gentlemen, while the programs and sectors of work have changed over the years, the basic principles and purpose of US Peace Corps volunteers has contributed to operate under the same overarching goals. I thank you for promoting skills and knowledge transfer in a way that enables positive development amongst our school students and youth. You have enabled Fijians to know and understand Americans in a way that fosters lasting friendship. John F. Kennedy, then President of the United States, established the Peace Corps by Executive Order on 1st March 1961 as an agency for Americans to serve abroad. He has said many inspirational things, but one sticks out for me. I quote, "Let us think of education as a means of developing our greatest abilities, because in each one of us there is a private hope or dream, which fulfilled can be translated into benefit for everyone and greater strength for our nation." Unquote. Once again, to our volunteers, I congratulate you on the successful completion of 9 weeks of intensive training and preparation. I thank the American Embassy for offering the volunteers for service to Fiji, and on behalf of the government and the people of Fiji, I say once again, we wholeheartedly accept the volunteers here this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, with these words, you have my personal assurance that you will be accepted in my schools and our communities as warmly as you have been treated during the initiation and during your training period. I welcome you all once again to Fiji and accept your priceless contributions to Fiji, and I hope the rest of your stay here will be as fruitful as your training. I wish you all the best, and I wish you good health, and I wish you success along your journey. And thank you very much. And I'm sure you will inspire many of our locals to follow through and put service before self to our nation. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.
Promise to serve alongside the people of Fiji.
Promise to serve alongside
I promise to share my culture with an open heart and an open mind. I promise to foster an understanding of the people of Fiji. With creativity, cultural sensitivity, and respect. I will face the challenges of service with patience. Humility and determination. I will embrace the mission of world peace and friendship. For as long as I serve and beyond. In the proud tradition of Peace Corps legacy. And in the spirit of the Peace Corps family. Past, present, and future. I am a Peace Corps volunteer.
Margaret Sterling. Sarah Kate.
Thank you.